Want to collaborate with your whole team on Calendly? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add multiple users so everyone can schedule seamlessly. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. From your Calendly homepage, head to the Admin Center in the bottom left. This is where you manage everything for your organization. Click on Users to see who already has access. Then hit Invite Users. Just type in the email addresses of the people you want to add. It's that simple. Next, choose their role. Make them an admin if they need control over settings, or a user if they'll just be scheduling and joining events. Once you're done, click Send Invitation. They'll get an email to join your Calendly organization instantly. And that's it. You've set up Calendly with multiple users, making team scheduling faster and more organized. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more smart tips.